Social media sites were flooded with tweets and posts relating to the Lok Sabha poll results which were declared on 16th of May. Some of the top trending hashtags on Twitter were Results 2014, PM Namo, Elections 2014 and Race to 272, while posts with BJP's election message, Ab ki baar Modi Sarkar, filled Facebook timelines. Search giant Google, which features a special doodle featuring election ink painted on the index finger on its India homepage, offered live results of the election. Social networking giant Facebook said 29 million people in India have made 227 million interactions through posts, comments, shares and likes about the elections from the day they were announced on May the 12th. The company added that it is about two-thirds of all daily active Facebook users in India and an average of 10 interactions per person. In addition, 13 million people made 75 million interactions regarding Narendra Modi. A study by Iris Knowledge Foundation and Internet Mobile Association of India says there are 160 high-impact constituencies in India out of 543, which are likely to be influenced by social media during the general elections. The total number of tweets related to elections on counting day is more than 2 million, while the total number of tweets mentioning Narendra Modi on counting day is 0.75 million. Top 5 election-related terms on Twitter on the counting day is Narendra Modi with almost 723,000 tweets, AAP with more than 100,000, BJP with more than 300,000, Rahul Gandhi with almost 50,000 and Varanasi with more than 20,000 tweets. On counting day, Narendra Modi began with 3,986,878 followers and ended it at 4,091,739 followers. It is now over 4.11 million followers and growing. Narendra Modi's tweet after he led BJP to a landslide victory in the world's biggest elections created history by becoming India's most shared tweet. Modi's tweet, "India has won," became an instant hit with over 66,000 retweets and nearly 41,000 marketing favorites within a short span of time and went viral on the microblogging site. In a statement, Twitter India Market Director Rishi Jaitley said, "This is truly the first Twitter election in India, with all major political parties and candidates actively campaigning and connecting with voters on Twitter." Similar to the Obama campaign, everyone knew that this Lok Sabha election would also be influenced by social media, particularly with over 150 million first-time voters between the age of 18 to 23 years who are social media savvy with mobile-centric lifestyles.